I'm Make Curried with Indian as apple pie, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite North Indian dishes, Matar Paneer. It's spiced peas in a curried broth with homemade cheese called paneer. So we've got peas, we've got paneer, we've got some onions, ginger garlic, as well as tomatoes, and then of course we've got my spice tiffin that houses the key essential spices. I'm going to take you to the stovetop and show you exactly how it's all put together. Once you've got your oil heating, we want to go ahead and grab our spice box and put in about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Get that nice and heated up. Some turmeric. And then we're going to put in a couple of these pods. They're called black cardamom pods. I love them because they're really earthy and very warm with their taste and flavor. It's a little bit different than that regular green cardamom you're probably used to. We're going to mix that up a little bit. And then get in your fresh ingredients like we talked about, onions, ginger garlic, and some tomatoes. You can put the onions in earlier, get them browned up, or put it all in together. It's all going to cook together anyway. We're going to go ahead and let that cook up. And as it browns and as it kind of creates a little bit of a base with the tomatoes, you're going to go ahead and put in your main ingredients. That's going to be your peas as well as your cheese. And now we've got our essential spices as well that we're going to put in. Some garam masala, a heaping teaspoon of that. We've got a teaspoon as well of the coriander powder. I like my stuff spicy, so a little bit of red chili powder in there. And then of course we want some salt. Mine's running low a little bit, so I'm just going to tap it in there, but I usually do about 2 teaspoons of coarse sea salt. And there you have it. You're going to basically put a lid on this and put the heat down to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and you're good to go. That is your peas and homemade cheese. There is nothing more delicious than a finely balanced Matar Paneer. Now, drier like this, you can stuff it in a pita or eat it with naan or roti. If you want to make it a little more watery, almost like a soup to eat over rice, just when you're cooking it, add more water, let that cook down a little bit, and you'll have that brothy, amazing base to your Matar Paneer. I'm Anupi Singla, and this is Indian as apple pie.